This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Sheila Kilpatrick. Nicely appointed 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in a gated community with bayfront pool. Open floor plan, updated kitchen. New range, new microwave. HVAC replaced in last 5 years. Beadboard wainscoting and crown molding in living/dining.New carpet in bedrooms. Plenty of visitor parking. 1 reserved spot. Condo fee includes water, sewage, pool, trash, ground maintenance. Luxury living, just steps away from the beach. Near entertainment and restaurants on shore dining room. For more information, review the details below.